I teased you all a while back about this dress I was working on, and you haven't seen it yet. So today's the day. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. I'm Tequila B with TruLuv Designz. And the moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. Yes, I am talking about the seam work pattern named after a well-known YouTuber and Instagrammer. It is the Aaronica dress number 3183, designed by Aaronica B. Cole herself. You can also find her here on YouTube and Instagram as Needle and the Bell. And all the information from this video will be in the description box below so that you can go and check her out. And you can also check out this pattern on Seamworks website. This dress pattern is an absolute must-have. It's a simple everyday dress. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, okay? Possibilities are endless. It's all about how you put things together and how you accessorize them, right? Well, my daughter wanted a dress made for school and just something everyday, but she wanted it kind of long, right? I have this black dress. All of my girls wear this dress. This is how I'm wearing this dress. I have it with this camo top, and it is sleeveless, really on the same style as the Aaronica dress. But anyways, I love this dress. I did make notes, so I'm looking at that. So this dress is described as a body-loving tank top or dress with a high neckline and fitted silhouette. It shows off your figure so nicely. Well designed and well fitting. Suggested fabrics are medium weight knit, 50% stretch, 4-way stretch. Now, it does say 4-way stretch, but I'm pretty sure you can get away with a 2-way stretch as long as it stretches around the body. But 4-way stretch would give it a great flow, a nice feel on the body. You would love it. Suggested fabrics: cotton jersey, bamboo jersey, rib knits, double brushed poly, and ITY knits. This pattern is sized in 2 ranges. It has misses, which runs from 00 to 16 and designed for a C cup. And then the curvy, which is sizes 12 to 30 and designed for double D cup. It is drafted for a height of 5'8", so you may want to make, necessary adjustments. The skill level of this dress is advanced beginner, but I would say a beginner could make this dress pretty easily. Maybe it's advanced beginner because you do have to put on the neck bands and the armhole bands. So maybe that's why it's classified as an advanced beginner, but a beginner should not have much trouble with this. When I originally started on this dress, I cut out a size 16 for my daughter. And that's me going based on the measurements of the pattern, right? But when she tried the dress on, it was very big in certain areas. I remeasured her, which is why it took me so long because she was being difficult about getting her measurements retaken. So I did all of that, and I said, you know what? If she can wear my dress and I wear a size 8 according to the pattern, I'm just gonna make a size 8. So that's what I did. Now, I put this dress together with a serger, okay? So with the size 16 muslin, I didn't add on any neck bands or any armhole bands because I wanted to make sure that I had the fit right first. I went ahead and cut the size 8 for her. Luckily, the size 8 pattern pieces fit within the size 16, and I didn't have to waste any more fabric or cut new fabric. I just used the guideline for size 8 and cut it out from the size 16, if that makes sense. Try to explain that the best I could. And when I say it was the perfect fit, it was the perfect fit. She absolutely loved the dress and had her own little photo shoot and video. She didn't want to do it at first, but somehow my other daughter and I were able to talk her into putting this dress on and modeling it for you guys. So please drop a comment in below and let her know how much you enjoyed her personality and her modeling this dress.